How to open a crypto trading account on Bybit. Hi everyone, Bybit is a powerful and reliable trading platform, perfect for anyone looking to get started in the cryptocurrency market. In this video, I'll show you how to open a crypto trading account on Bybit. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from Bybit, visit coinaz.net/Bybit. Or click on the link to open a Bybit account in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, choose the method you want to use to open your account. I'll choose email. Next, enter your email and create a password. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Click Get My Welcome Gifts. Bybit has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email to get the code. This is an email that Bybit sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the security code. I will enter the code here. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to download the Bybit app to proceed with identity verification. Click Download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Since you just opened a Bybit account, now click Login Now. First, enter the email or mobile number you used to open the account. Next, enter the password you just created. Then click Login Now. Please complete this captcha verification. Next, you need to verify your identity to start trading. Click Verify Now. First, select your residence country region. Next, click on this box. Then, click Confirm. Now, you need to choose your document issuing country and document type. First, choose the document issuing country. Next, choose the document type. You can choose ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. I'll choose ID card. Then click Confirm. Bybit would like to access the camera. Click Allow. These are the 2 steps you need to complete for identity verification. Click Continue. Here are some notes for taking photos of your documents. Click Next. Now, take a photo of the front side of your document. Please make sure the document is within the frame with the edges aligned. Similarly, please take a photo of the back side of the document. This is the face verification step. Click Start. Then, follow Bybit's instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are under review. The process is expected to be completed within 24 hours. Once your document is successfully verified, you'll need to deposit funds and make a trade to receive the 20 USDT welcome bonus. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Next, click on this icon. Click on this section. Then, click Security. These are the available two-factor authentication methods. Now I'll show you how to verify using a passkey. Click here. Click Add Passkey. Here are the benefits of using passkey verification. Click Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your email and enter the code here. Click Continue. Please enter your device passcode. You've successfully added passkey authentication. Similarly, you can set up other authentication methods if you'd like. I've just shown you how to open a crypto trading account on Bybit. Wishing you success.